If your Kia Sportage is refusing to crank or start, don't panic. Most issues come down to these 5 common culprits. Statistically, nearly half of all no-start calls for the Sportage are simply due to a weak or dead battery. Let's walk through the diagnostic sequence to find out exactly why your engine is staying silent. Before grabbing tools, ensure the car is in park and try pressing the start button directly with your key fob. If you hear a single loud click when turning the key, your starter motor might be at the end of its life. If the engine cranks but won't fire, you likely have a delivery issue with your fuel or spark systems. Simple electrical cleaning is a DIY win, but internal fuel pump issues usually require a professional shop. Expect to pay around $150 for a battery, while a fuel pump can exceed $700. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for hidden codes that might point to a faulty crankshaft position sensor. Keep a basic socket set and a multimeter handy to handle these common Sportage electrical gremlins. Wiggle your battery cables before calling for a tow. A loose connection is often the only thing stopping you. Hopefully this guide gets your Sportage back on the road. Subscribe for more DIY automotive troubleshooting.